Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use constant contact, all right, in Salesforce. As we all know, Salesforce right here doesn't have integration option. And we'll go ahead over to constant contact integrations right here. We'll look for Salesforce. As you can see, we do have that in here. Just click on it. Then you can go ahead and hit on connect. It says here, when you allow access, the app and the third party can access your data. If it's okay with you, you can go ahead and hit on allow, all right? Wait for it to load. And here, as you can see, if your Salesforce is connected to your browser, your account will be automatically connected as well. You can go ahead and click on 3 dots and hit on disconnect and log in with another Salesforce account if this is not the one. Now from here, you can just easily create an import like so. You have contact list import, and a campaign list import right here if you have an upgraded version of constant contact, all right? And here it says automatically import Salesforce contact list into constant contact. Another one here, automatically import Salesforce leads list into constant contact. Now, if you want that, you can go ahead and select one like so. But from here, you can go ahead and include or delete a field, okay? For example, first name, last name, business phone. Maybe you don't want the zip and postal code. We just go ahead and click on remove. If you want to add in a new field, just go to the top right and select a new field from here. For example, other CT, okay? Now this option, you have the Salesforce contact list to import from and a constant contact list to import into. For example, all contacts to my contacts, one time or every day, and here overwrite or merge, okay? And this import as CC to maybe SF, just like that. Hit on continue, and here's your summary. But before that, click on this tick box, hit on import, okay? That's basically how you do it. The only problem here is that you can't do the same under Salesforce right here, okay? Importing data from constant contact. Now, is there a fix or a workaround? Well, there is. Go ahead over to zapier.com, hit on enter, and here just go ahead and create an account. It's totally free. I'm just going to log in as I do have a free Zapier account, okay? And here, go to the top left and click on create a Zap, okay? So we're going to select a trigger, or you can go ahead and use the AI right here. Just for example, I'm going to be using manual zaps. Okay, trigger from Salesforce. There you go. Salesforce Premium, like so. And then the action would be constant contact. Okay, like so. What you would do under Salesforce, click on it, and go ahead and choose the trigger event, okay? For example, new contact account, make sure to sign in, and then go to constant contact right here, choose an event, add a contact to list, or create a new contact, or even find or create a contact. Now, if none of the options fits what you need, you can go ahead and go to custom actions right here and create an action, okay? Just for example, add contact list, and make sure to sign in with your constant contact account. And once that's done, just hit on publish. And after that, you're good to go. These two will be automated. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.